This might look like a simple makeover at first, but what you're about to see is far more serious than that. A young woman came in with what she thought were just a few skin problems. Some acne, irritation, nothing unusual. But when the examination started, it quickly became clear that this was not just a normal case. Her skin showed clear signs of infection, painful breakouts, deep inflammation, and areas that had been neglected for far too long. But that wasn't even the worst part. As the inspection continued, doctors discovered a severe hygiene issue in another area, one that had been completely ignored. Thick buildup, trapped sweat, bacteria, and layers of dirt that had been sitting there for a long time. This wasn't just about appearance anymore. It had become a real health concern. The patient admitted that she had been avoiding proper care for weeks, thinking everything would fix itself, but instead, things only got worse. So the treatment had to begin immediately. First, the facial area was treated. Gentle tools were used to clean the skin surface, removing dirt, oil, and bacteria step by step. You can already see how the skin starts to calm down as the irritation slowly fades. But the deeper cleaning is what really makes the difference. Each infected spot is carefully handled, clearing out everything that doesn't belong there. Slowly, the redness reduces and the skin begins to recover. But now comes the most challenging part. The heavily affected area needed a full, deep cleaning. The buildup was so thick, it required precise tools to break it apart. Every movement had to be careful because the skin underneath was sensitive. As the cleaning continues, you can see layers being removed, revealing the actual skin underneath for the first time in a long while. This is where things start to get satisfying. Piece by piece, everything is cleared out. The trapped dirt, the buildup, the bacteria, all removed step by step. And with each step, the area looks cleaner, healthier, and more normal again. It's a slow process, but the transformation is undeniable. Once the deep cleaning is complete, the final stage begins: restoration and care. The skin is treated, soothed, and allowed to recover properly. And finally, the result speaks for itself. From severe irritation and buildup to clean, smooth, and healthy skin. Even her face tells the story. At the beginning, there was discomfort, stress, and pain. But now there's relief, confidence, and a completely fresh look. It's hard to believe this is the same person. This transformation is a reminder. Ignoring small hygiene issues can lead to bigger problems over time. Taking care of your body isn't just about looking good, it's about staying healthy. So the real question is, would you take action early or wait until it gets this bad? Make sure to watch till the end because transformations like this don't happen every day.